Hey everyone! Welcome back to Car Release TV. If you're a fan of luxury sedans that pack a serious punch, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the 2025 Audi S8. A car that combines elegance, power, and cutting-edge technology into one stunning package. Trust me, this isn't just another luxury sedan. It's a high-performance beast in disguise. So, buckle up and let's get into it. At first glance, the 2025 Audi S8 might look like its sibling, the Audi A8, but don't let its sleek, understated design fool you. Under the hood lies a beastly twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that churns out an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. That's a significant upgrade over the six-cylinder A8, and it shows in the S8's performance. But the Audi S8 isn't just about raw power. It's designed to handle like a dream, thanks to its advanced vectoring rear differential and rear-wheel steering. These features make navigating tight corners feel effortless, blending speed and agility into one seamless driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the S8 delivers a ride that's both thrilling and refined. For 2025, Audi has upped the ante with new standard features. The S8 now comes with 21-inch wheels and a premium foggy leather package that elevates the interior to a whole new level of luxury. The executive package adds a head-up display and heated power rear seats, while the luxury package takes things even further with advanced LED headlights, ventilated and massaging rear seats, remote controls for rear passengers, and upgraded rear reading lights. Oh, and let's not forget the return of a physical button to open your garage door. Because sometimes, convenience is king. Under the hood, that twin-turbocharged V8 engine doesn't just look good on paper, it delivers. Audi claims a top speed of 155 miles per hour, and the S8 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, this car offers smooth power delivery and confident handling in any driving condition. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Audi S8 the ultimate luxury performance sedan? With its blend of power, agility, and cutting-edge features, it's definitely a strong contender. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.